Hello folks, so Joshua is away at school and he sent me a clip of him making some fried rice. Let's take a look at what he did and see if it's a hit or a miss.
And just like a little bit of olive oil just to bind it well. If you have, put in some stir-in ginger paste or regular ginger for that extra Asian flavor. Now just cook your steak little by little into the pan. You can also make your eggs on a different pot if you want. And you have to have rice as well. Or you can use day old rice, which is good too. While you're cooking your steak, you can go ahead and season up your shrimp with the same type of seasonings as the steak, or different seasonings if you want. And then once everything's done cooking, we can put them all in one big pot. Now you can cook your shrimp in the same pot, add some butter to it. Looks good, not gonna lie. So now I'm adding my vegetables to cook down a little bit for when I want to mix them all in. So we're just going to let this cook down for like, let's say like 3 minutes. And then you add the rice and then you add everything on top. Now you want to put your rice, which should be stale usually, into the vegetables. Just like that. Then you can add your eggs. How much eggs you want? That's like 3 eggs. We just added it. Then you want to put all the meat you just cooked into the rice and then mix it up. You can add your soy sauce and you can add whatever else you want, your teriyaki sauce here. Okay, so now you can garnish the pot with green onion or scallion, and just to add a little bit of extra flavor and extra color to the plate or the pot. And now you plate your food and enjoy it. I mean, fried rice, it's not supposed to look clean. It's supposed to look messy, but the messier it is, the tastier it is. Yup. So this is the final presentation bowl. Feel free to top it off with some Nando's, spicy mayo, yum yum, whatever you want. But this is what we have. And enjoy, people. It's simple, easy, took like 10 minutes. Go do it now.